our seats. Great. All right, now, some of us are lucky enough to know each other, yeah, and others are new. Hi there. Okay, my name is Mr. Brown, and you're late.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I was just hoping to set up chairs for the assembly.
Don't worry about it. Can anybody tell me what this word means? Anybody? No? Precepts are rules for really important things.
Like mottos.
Like mottos, or like famous quotes, or like lines from a fortune cookie, right? Precepts can help motivate us. They can help guide us when we have to make decisions about really important things, okay? So why are you talking to me about precepts this early in the morning, Mr. Brown? Well, let me tell you, because precepts also can tell us a lot about ourselves. Who is it that I aspire to be? That is the question that we should be asking ourselves all the time. What kind of person am I? So this is what we're gonna do. Everyone's gonna come up with 2 things that they think everybody else should know about. All right, I'll go first. Number 1, I used to work on Wall Street.